In this video tutorial, we will demonstrate how national account operators can place sample orders on the Dot Foods website. As you explore products, click the Add Sample button to add items to your sample order. You can order one case of each product. To request multiple cases, please contact your national account coordinator. Please note that samples are free of charge, but you will see distributor pricing throughout the site. When you're ready to check out, click the shopping cart icon on the top right. Your estimated shipment date will be the next delivery window available to your company. Click View Cart to edit and check out your order. From this page, you can edit your order number and estimated shipment date. You can also remove products from your order or add them to your favorites. If you're ordering a sample of a special order item, a supplier will fulfill your order. For that reason, you won't see a delivery method. We can't guarantee a supplier will ship your sample by your estimated shipment date. Click the Checkout button to proceed. On the next page, enter your shipping information. Select from an existing shipping address or enter a new address. Please note that we can't ship samples to international addresses, Alaska, Hawaii, fixed base operators, military bases, or PO boxes. If you want to use this address for future orders, keep the checkbox selected. Click Add Address to continue placing your order. Review your order information. If everything looks correct, click Place Order. You will receive an email once your order has been successfully submitted. Tracking information will also be emailed to you once your order is processed. If your order included a special order item, our Dot Sample Specialist will keep you informed of your sample order status. We hope this video helps you order samples. If you have any questions, please contact our website support team.